Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P0507 idle air control system RPM higher than normal. If you're getting P0507, that's because your idle RPM is a little bit too high. Let's just say if the manufacturer set the idle RPM at 700 and that is the normal range, and if the idle RPM is around 750 to 850, so it's going to be 50 to 100 RPM higher than normal, this can actually trigger P0507 code. If you're getting P0507 code, the first thing you should always check is for a vacuum leak. First, check for a bad vacuum hose. Make sure it's not loose or disconnected, and make sure the hoses are not cracked. Next, check for a bad intake manifold gasket. Next, check for bad fuel injector oil rings. Next, check for a bad throttle body gasket. Next, check for a bad brake booster hose, and make sure the brake booster diaphragm is not leaking. The next thing you should check is for a bad throttle body. There are two different types of throttle body. One is going to be a drive-by cable, and this one is going to come with a TPS and idle air control. The next throttle body is going to be a drive-by wire. If the throttle body is a drive-by wire, it is going to come with a throttle actuator, and if this part fell, it can cause all sorts of issue. When you're getting P0507 caused by a bad throttle body, you're going to notice the following symptom. You're going to notice that the RPM is higher than usual at idle. You're going to notice rough idle. You're going to notice the RPM needle is unsteady. You're going to notice poor gas mileage, and so on. Here is a simple checklist to fix P0507 code. The first thing you should check is for a vacuum leak, and check for P0300 code. A vacuum leak can definitely trigger P0300 random misfire code. Next, if the throttle body is a drive-by wire, check for throttle actuator code. If the throttle body is a drive-by cable, you want to check for a bad TPS sensor and a dirty idle air control valve. I do have a video how to test the TPS sensor, and I also have a video how to clean the idle air control valve. And again, if the throttle body is a drive-by cable, you want to make sure that the cable is not stuck in some way and is causing the RPM to be higher than normal. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.